Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is eyebrows, Cantonese and pork spleen soup. Eyebrows Cantonese is a traditional Chinese medicine, mainly grown in Guangdong, Guangxi and other places. It has good heat clearing, dampness reducing and detoxifying effects. Since the climate in Guangdong is warm, hot and humid, people like to use it to make soup to regulate the body. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, eyebrows Cantonese is neutral in nature, sweet and slightly bitter taste, belongs to the liver and stomach meridian. It removes dampness, removes jaundice, and is good for the liver. According to the traditional concept, pork spleen has the function of tonifying the human spleen. It can strengthen the spleen and is good for indigestion. Also added tangerine peel, red beans, and gorgon seeds. Tangerine peel promotes qi, red bean removes dampness, and gorgon nourishes the kidney and spleen. The reason why Cantonese people like to drink soup is related to the hot and humid climate, so as to replenish nutrients and energy lost through sweating. Many traditional dietary methods have been proven to be beneficial to the body, so I followed the experience. Cooking the soup is not complicated. Let's get started. Pork spleen, about 200 grams, cut into pieces. Heat a pot of water, add 2 slices ginger. Blanch them. Fish out. Lean pork, 100 grams. I used frozen meat because it is more convenient. You can also use fresh pork. Blanch them too. Fish out. Eyebrows Cantonese, dried, 38 grams. Washed with water. Set aside. Look at other ingredients: 15 grams of red beans, 10 grams of gorgon seeds, 2 pieces of tangerine peel. Put all the ingredients into the pot. Add 2000 milliliters of water. Bring to a boil first. Then cover and cook over low heat for 2 hours. Turn off the heat. Transfer to a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. The eyebrows Cantonese and pork spleen soup is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.